Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Instagram. Let's begin. First, open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, go to your profile page. To do that, look on the bottom of the bottom of your screen with all these icons on the very bottom. You see the one to the very right, to the right of the heart icon. Click on this, and it normally is your profile picture or whatever it may be. Just click on this icon. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see this icon right here? And this is for iPhone, but Android might be slightly different, but whatever is on the upper right hand corner, click on that. And that will pop up a side menu. And on this menu, look all the way to the bottom. Do you see where it says settings? Click on that. And this will take you to your settings page. Once here, scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom. Over there, you can see where you can log out. So if you have multiple, if you have logged in with multiple accounts, you can click over here where it says log out of all accounts. Or if you want to log out of a specific account, and it should give you a name of the current account that you're logged in, click on it right here where it says log out. Just click on that, and then say not remember. Okay, and then say log out. Okay, and what it did, it actually switched me to my different account. As you can see, I've already logged out of the other email account. Okay, and actually I'm just also I can just log out. Let's go to settings again. I'll just log out of everything now. Log out of all accounts. And there you go. That's how you log out of an Instagram account. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.